my name is Andrea Amighetti.
Congratulations, you were perfect, the show was amazing. I would like to tell us some things about your experience on stage. How was it? How was Hairfest 2024?
It was definitely the biggest and most organized show I've ever been to. Hairfest is very well detailed. The organization behind is incredible. There is a fantastic staff for clothing, models, makeup. There's everything around it, so it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be able to participate to Hairfest. And the crowd, well, I would say Greek are very heartwarming.
I would like to ask you also, what was the inspiration of your today's presentation? I think you said it before, but if you like to analyze it for us?
For sure. Well, definitely I wanted to bring some added value, and not only some added value, something that people can relate to. And people that do not fail in life are people that do not exist or either are not living. So it's very relatable, the failure, and it's something that happens to us every day. Just some people, unfortunately, they get into a bad state and in a bad vibe when they fail, instead of taking that energy and push themselves over the limit to achieve the greatest things of their lives.
Okay. Yeah, it's very inspiring. I would like to tell us a message, to give a message to all the members of Hairdressing News that couldn't be here today.
Well, unfortunately you weren't be here today. I'm sure there's going to be other occasion for us to meet up. I would love to come back to Hairfest, so this is a call to come back for Hairfest, maybe 2025, I guess. But if not, well guys, just be wise and come to this kind of events, because there's a lot of things to share between each other's knowledge, and also a lot of feelings and connection to be made. So we'll wait for you anytime soon, and maybe for the next year.
Okay, thank you very much. Wish you the best.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, and thank you for waiting for me.